Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 4, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Before we get started, you need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, turn out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now the the tool that I will be using is looking a little bit more fancy, but it's basically it. Anyway, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. You will see this little cutout right here, and part of it is a little insert area, so utilize this one. As you can see, there's another one. This is a microphone. Now nothing will happen if you actually poke it, but obviously it also won't pop out the tray. So make sure you utilize the correct little hole. There is a joke to be made there. Anyway, we're gonna push the pin in, and from there you can just pull out the tray. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side. You can occupy both of them if you want to, or just one, and if you're planning to use one, it does not matter which side you use. You can just place it whichever side is more convenient for you. Let's try that again without dropping the tray this time around. Now, make sure that the card is clipped in place correctly. It should not be falling out if you flip it over. And then once you insert it back into your device, the card should start working right away. Just give it a moment, and there we go. And as you can see, it's telling me to enter my PIN for SIM2. So I'm gonna do that. And this just simply unlocks my SIM card, and it should shortly connect to network, which it just did. So that's basically it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.